Hey guys, in this video I'm installing the IAG Performance Easy Lift Soft Top Assist System.
Here's everything that's included in the IAG Performance kit. First you need to open the tailgate. Press the release levers on both sides and lift up. Check the orientation of these straps. They twist by 180 degrees. Very important you pay attention. You're going to remove and replace these bolts with the hardware provided. Using a T30 Torx bit, remove the bolt. You're going to reuse the factory washer. Install the top hardware with the notch and the ball joint facing you. Using a 4mm hex bit, reinstall the bolt. Repeat this process on the driver's side. When tightening down, make sure to adjust the strap back into its original orientation. Pop the rear panel into the open position. You'll be using a 12mm wrench for this next step. Insert the ball stud in the mounting hole in the soft top frame. Repeat this process on the other side. Lower the rear frame back down, but do not close it. The struts are delivered with a band around them. It's imperative that you keep these on during installation. Place the fatter end of the strut onto the lower ball joint. Then raise the top and insert the strut into the upper ball joint. Repeat this process on the other side. You can now fully close the frame. This now releases the bands around the struts. You can now remove the bands. Insert the screw nut on the thread that is closest to the front of the vehicle. Place the bungee cord over the screw nut with the hook facing towards the rear of the vehicle, and then hook it over the mounting point for the strap. Repeat this process on the other side. And now you're ready to test the system.
So there you have it, nice and easy to install. Give us a like, maybe subscribe. And until next time,